gonna grip once you pass this line.
Show behind. Hey man, say man, look what we got for you. 2021 Challenger Scatpack. I mean, we've done Scatpacks before, but never a Challenger. Big ol' Hemi for you, 6'4" Hemi, right? I know y'all love these cars, man. That's why I'm doing it, because I know y'all love these cars. You got a little muffler delete, not too loud, but we're gonna see how it drives. We're gonna hear how it sounds. And make sure you go follow my boy Big Scatpack Corey on IG. He coming at you with the hardest indigo blue Challenger you ever seen. Period. And you know we got the best driver in it too. That's a negative. The big boy Hemi.
That's why you love turning on this street.
Oh, you saw that shit in the video, right?
Yeah. Those are some good ass fishing spots.
When it goes up in the shift, that shit sounds sweet.
Yeah, when that bitch do fart, that baby fire.
And the thing is, it grips too. That's what I didn't know it was gonna do.
Yeah.
This 21.
My cousin telling me last, he said, "Yo, this bitch safe." The last one didn't give a fuck about your life.
Yeah, last one didn't give a fuck about your life, but this one. ZL1. Hey man, don't let us come for you, okay? Activate launch. Yep, that's it. To launch, press brake. That shit didn't spin at all, dog.
It damn sure don't like
that shit. It's just like chirping a little bit. That shit wasn't gonna spin. What?
Yo, can you get sideways going that way?
Was that a question? Was that even a question?
Yeah, I've been over there before, yeah.
Oh yeah, I really just asked if I could get sideways back there.
No, I mean going right now. I always wanted to try that shit.
What, the left turn?
What?
I'm telling you, it steps out though. Their TV, then they gonna know it.
I gonna be like, you a good young driver.
Yeah, I'm young guys. I'm 19 years old if you didn't know. Sir. Sorry, air boss. I'm gonna go around this shit.
You can do as you please, but damn, what's that speed bump?
Oh fuck, they put a speed bump there? What the fuck?
It would have been beautiful, ain't it?
We would have went around and just hear broom bum.
That would have been. See, if you want to go south till you get to the speed bump, then yeah, you can do that.
That little bit, and it give you so much smoke. All right, boss. Bro, that was 2 spins, and it give you so much smoke.
Dodge is amazing.
Dodge is amazing. I ain't gonna lie, Dodge is amazing. I've been thinking about buying one of these so much, but I won't. Leave me alone. I won't.
I don't know why, bro.
See, this man, my coworker, and every time we at work, he's like, "Yo, sell that little shit. Buy a Dodge."
That piece of shit. I call that piece of shit.
He's like, "That piece of shit." Yo, he was like, "I'm gonna comment on all your videos. That little piece of shit."
I'm gonna comment on this one too. That piece of shit. YouTube blocked me for that.
YouTube.
You just say I went against the guideline.
You went against the guidelines, sir.
Sir, you cannot say that. gonna put a doodle on that bitch next time. What?
Wait, you wanted me to go sideways going around this round?
I mean, shit, we was already in this distance. Too late now.
It gripped. The fuck? It just gripped.
They would have put that bit right back in.
All right, let's see what happens on floor from the light. Imagine if it just grips.
I think that's what it's gonna spin. It's gonna grip once you pass this line.
Show behind. Yo, the BMW trying to raise. Yo, the BMW tried to raise. Look, video. All right, my G, he blowed us still.
Would have washed the car, all of a sudden now that shit's smoking.
We just watched the car for real.
Exactly. You could have said we was gonna do this shit before.
Bro, look at them fucking lines though. Look at that. Hey man, that's it, man. That's on a cuff, right? Yeah.
That's gonna need some more tires now.
He just, yo, all right guys, look, 3,600, look at the line, bro. 3,651 miles, and this man already bought a set of tires.
No, I need another set of tires.
I'm gonna show them the line. Look at the line. That shit goes all the way across down there. All the way down. Oh shit. Scatpack, man, I'm telling you. Hold it like this. Video us this guy, you know what I'm saying? Manual. I always do it in manual because I want full control. You see like how it was going sideways? If it was upshifting, it would have went more sideways. Straight into the lane, man. You know, I think that shit, was it recording, bro? That's a good question.
I don't know.
That shit was. Somebody just flew past right there. Oh, it was recording. All right, cool. Yeah, man. As I said, that's the Scatpack 2021 Scatpack. 3,651 miles. Already bought a brand new set of tires. Planning on buying another one after this video.
Yeah,
But yeah, if you like the video, like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see next with any car.
250, I'll let you burn them bitches out.
Oh, for real? Hey, I got that 250 right now. Come on, you know we're rich.
You got that bitch for real. I called Daphne, that's real. No, she got the tires for me for real.
Oh, Daphne that work with us?
Yeah.
Oh shit, she the plug?